This is our 98 Chevy Silverado OBS Ls swap. Work in progress. I'll do a little video for you guys here. This is what we do at Rolling Dead Auto. Check us out. We do everything in-house. Custom builds, harnesses, tuning, upgrades, anything you need. Look us up. Rolling Dead Auto. Thanks, guys.